Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So here's actually the performance that we have discussed, and we have been ready for this performance actually. So because a few weeks ago we said that Fed intends to try all liquidity that it could and put it into debt market as need to be supported. It's because other source of liquidity that could support the national debt market now is housing. So, and that's why the cryptocurrencies is becoming the first victim of this process, and it feels much stronger the negative events that have happened recently for the stock market, just keeping going lower. So on the monthly chart, it's actually nothing to celebrate. This market already has broken major targets and very fast has been reached our 21 target that we discussed last time. And here it is very important level, as you can see, because it agrees with the former top. It's very important. And if market breaking down the 20 even area, returning back in the previous consolidation, it means that it's turning in a range of the 4,000, 20,000. So it will start trading in this area. And that's why this is very important and thrilling moment for cryptocurrencies. Well, based on the performance and fundamental picture, mostly this stands in favor of the further downward action, because we currently do not see any source of the positive for the cryptocurrencies, and and technically also we do not see any signs of the possible reversal. It means that on the weekly chart we're watching for the same pattern that we have, ABCD. Market right now is not at the result, so COP target has been passed. I mean, this is minus 618 extension. Next will be the AB equals CD target, which is the objective point, OP, that stands at 1270. This is next long-term target that we have. So since all major support areas already has been broken, it means that here's relatively free space, and so always maybe some targets or patterns on the lower time frames could trigger some minor technical bounces. Maybe some statistics could provide some temporal support, but in general the tendency is going lower, and sooner or later but this target should be reached. It's 1270. So on the daily chart we see the breakout of the wedge pattern, completion of the 21 target, and since market currently taking some relief and pullback after the really thrilling session yesterday, here on the Bitcoin also we could get some minor pullback, maybe some retracement could happen. For this attempt, market could try to maybe retest this previous lows around 25 area. Some minor pullback is theoretically possible. In particular speaking, but this is of course will be just tactical, so it will not change the overall tendency, it will not change the bearish context. It will be just some response on the daily result, a response on the target that we have. This is actually butterfly on the 4-time frame chart. So that's only mostly for the scalp traders. If you would like to go short, you just need to wait and see when this pullback will be over. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's what we have. So actually 1618 target of the butterfly is completed, and as you know, the minimum target of the butterfly is usually the 30% resistance. So on the hourly chart you could see that will be somewhere around 25 areas, I said. So here we have the confluence resistance 2450, 2518, which is also the 30% of the butterfly, and that agrees with the daily recent lows, which is around 2550. So market could retest it. So if you're a scalp trader, you prefer to trade on the lower time frames, I think then here is a pattern that you could consider. So it might be the hand and shoulders. So of course it could fail, but at least currently it's still valid, and maybe it will work. So if indeed market shows some ABC retracement, then you could keep an eye on the bottom of the right arm to think about the position taken. In this case, risk will be relatively small, so it will be around 21 and the lows is around 20, so it's 1000 per contract per coin, so it will be not very significant risk. In this case, you could make the bet on the extension. Others who trade on the daily chart, we have bearish context, and we should not take part in any bullish trades on intraday charts, just waiting for pullback and reaching of the significant resistance level to consider possibly taking the short position.